In this video, I'll walk you through a script template you can use for all your videos that can help you keep people engaged, increase your watch time, and make people want to watch more of your content. I use this template myself for YouTube videos, but it also applies to website videos, corporate videos, ads, and even when I'm creating promotional videos for clients, I use the same format, and you can copy and paste it to use for all your video projects too. At the end of the video, I'll also share a bonus tip about how you can make sure your script is cohesive and easy to follow. Hey guys, it's Rachel Tapscott here from That Camera Girl. I help people create videos they are proud to share. And having a solid script is a really important component of that. So let's get to it. Your viewer has most likely clicked on your video for an answer to a problem. They want to know straight away if this is the video for them, if it's going to give them what they need, or if they should click the back button. At the very beginning of the video, you need to tell them what's in it for them. In the start of this video, I told you exactly what the video is about and what it could do for you if you stick around. I did this before I introduced myself because you don't really care who I am, at least not until I've provided some value to you and potentially started building an online relationship. And especially if you're a first-time viewer, welcome. If I'd opened the video talking about myself, you might have clicked back before I was able to share something you were interested in. The hook could be a how-to using keywords your viewer is searching for. For example, in this video, I'll show you how to create click-worthy thumbnails for your YouTube videos. It could be a question, such as, have you been grinding away at your channel for over a year and haven't been able to achieve your YouTube goals? Or even a statement that creates intrigue, like, here's why you don't need expensive equipment to make great videos. Whichever direction you choose, make sure you actually talk about that topic or give that answer in your video so it doesn't come across as clickbait, which could hurt your channel in the long run. After you grab their attention with the hook, then you can intro yourself. Your self-introduction could be similar to the one I used at the start of this video. Hey guys, it's Rachel Tapscott here from That Camera Girl. I help people create videos they're proud to share. Simply saying who you are and where you're from, and most importantly, what you help people with, because again, we want to focus everything around providing value for the viewer. Sometimes I don't say a self-introduction at all and just use a name super like this and get right to the point of the video. This is the bulk of your video, and it's also where you want to deliver the value you promised in the opening. I mentioned increasing watch time in the intro, and you do this not by withholding the best points until later in the video, but by giving it to them straight away and then expanding on that information. If your whole video is valuable or entertaining, it is much more likely your viewer will want to keep watching than if you just keep teasing that you're about to get to the content they came here for. There are a few different ways to structure the delivery of your content. A great one is using lists. For example, my top 5 tips to speed up your video editing process. This opens a loop and it makes the viewer want to know what all 5 of those tips are. Or it might be a step-by-step process where each step builds on from the last and they need the whole picture to get the desired result. Breaking up your content like this also makes it easier for your viewer to absorb, and you can accompany these points with graphics to add a visual element that will further enhance their learning. Some ideas to make your content delivery more interesting. Experiment with using different shots or changing locations, especially if it's a long video. Add some background music or sound effects. Use graphics like this to highlight important points. Add B-roll footage for a visual demonstration. Or if you're more of a hands-on visual presenter, you could even stand in front of a big whiteboard and deliver your content that way. I've pinned a comment below with links to further videos discussing these topics, so you can save them to your watch later if you're interested in exploring these ideas more. When it comes to delivering your content, don't drag out your videos for the sake of dragging out your video and hoping to get more watch time that way. Your viewers will see through this, and it could ultimately hurt more than it helps. Take as long as you need to get your message across and not a moment more. Always think about the viewer. What do they need? And what do they expect to see from how you've positioned your video with the title and your opening statement? If you're creating videos with your viewers' needs front of mind, it's going to benefit you in the long run while it's helping them get what they want to. Another way to make people want to stick around to the end is to tease a bonus tip or secret sauce to bring everything together. Make sure this tip is a bonus and not the information that they've been expecting withheld until the end of the video. For example, you've shown them what the 5 steps are to speed up their video editing workflow. The bonus could be showing them something they can do in pre-production that'll make editing even simpler. You can tease this earlier in the video to open another loop and make them want to find out what that secret component is. Speaking of secret sauces, I'm going to break the rules and share that bonus tip with you now. When you're scripting your video, make sure all of your points and all the information you have to share all relates to one central idea or message. This video is all about building a script template, and everything I've spoken about relates back to that topic. Where I've mentioned other ideas that are important but not directly related, I've directed you to other resources in the pinned comment of this video. To finish off, it's a good idea to have a quick recap and re-emphasize the main thing you want them to take away from the video. This can be as simple as a quick list and a final statement. What is the next best step for your viewer to take? This could be directing them to another video on a similar topic or the next logical step in a process. It could be to download a resource. For example, I have my video kickstart guide with equipment recommendations and tutorials that I can direct people to in the description of most of my videos. Ideally, it's something that is the next step in learning for them, and it also keeps them within your content ecosystem. So they are benefiting, you are benefiting, and you're building relationships through this journey. Let's quickly review the 6-step process for creating a video script. Step 1, hook them in the opening sentence. Step 2, give a short, sharp self-introduction. Step 3, share your awesome content in an easily digestible format. Step 4, give a bonus tip or share the secret sauce. Step 5, quickly recap everything they've learned, just like I'm doing right now. And step 6, add a call to action. Most importantly, always keep your viewer front of mind as you create your videos, and you'll be able to reach your goals by helping them reach theirs. If you'd like to see more tips on video creation and build your confidence in front of the camera, hit that subscribe button and let's go on the journey together. Check out that pinned comment below for more ideas, and I'll see you in the next one.